Welcome to this discussion of how to do the look and listen initial sound activity. During these activities, children learn to identify the initial sound of a word. The purpose of the initial sound activity is to teach children how to identify the initial sound in a target word. The identification of initial sounds is a precursor to decoding. You will learn how to teach children that whole words are made from individual sounds in the How to Do the Sound Segmentation and Blending Activity presentation. Be sure to watch that presentation after you complete this one. To teach initial sound identification, you will use the initial sound picture cards, the 6-pocket chart, and the small letter cards or sound concept cards, which you will use as labels on the pocket chart. How will you do the initial sound activity? First, model the sound corresponding to each sound concept card or the small letter card you choose to put on the 6-pocket chart. Pick out one picture card and say the word the picture represents as you show the card to the children. For example, show the card for moon as you say moon. Emphasize the initial sound as you say it, moon. Now say, the first sound in moon is Be sure you say the letter sound and not the letter name. Now tell children to listen for the first or beginning sound as you repeat the word moon. Children will learn the instructional terms, beginning and first, in the first 4 weeks of the intervention. Ask the children to identify the first sound in moon by producing the sound. Now, put the moon picture card into the pocket with the corresponding letter card, M, or sound concept card, sundae, on the 6-pocket chart. Now give the children individual turns to practice identifying the initial sound. If children are not ready to complete the task independently, have them imitate your model.
Now let's talk about the beginning sound. This sound is B. This sound is E. This sound is M.
Make sure children are producing the desired letter sound, not the letter name. For children who master this quickly, you will modify this strategy by giving them only the target word without emphasizing the initial sound. For children who use visual phonics, incorporate the correct hand symbol into the above activities. Let's watch a video of a teacher doing an initial sound activity with children who use visual phonics.
The girl is scared. Oh, maybe she sees a ghost. I don't know. Okay, so she's scared. What is the first sound in the in the word scared? Scared. Scared. Okay. All right. Came in. What? Oh, this is a good one. You ready?
Yeah.
Happy. The word happy starts with the sound. It's the letter H. Yeah, it's the letter H, but the sound is. It's happy. Happy. Oh, why? Why? Happy. Happy.
For more information, visit our website, foundationsforliteracy.gsu.edu.